Assalamu alaikum. It's Roderick Drummond, the British Ambassador to Bahrain. Warm welcome to both Professor Mark Lewis and Tim King from Soza Health. I'm really proud that Soza Health have chosen Bahrain as their first country launch in the MENA region. And their wellness assessment is really relevant, not just for identifying a COVID risk score, which you can do, but also making a really positive contribution to preventative health in Bahrain and the GCC. The Soza and Duhab webinar recently launched their Wellness in the Workplace, Protecting Your Employees theme. It was very positively received with lots of good feedback from the 70 participants. As a result of that, they're now setting up this week 6 workshops with an option to attend physically or via live stream webinar. The Bahrain pilot will continue through November to the middle of December with their fantastic delivery partner, the American Mission Hospital, who we all know and trust, delivering their health assessment program in the comfort of clients' offices. I'm getting my health check done this week, and I'll be looking forward to the results and acting on them. This is really important stuff. Take care, stay healthy.